हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लेके आया हूँ इस वीक की कुछ ऐसी जॉब जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पाइथन डेवलपर रोल और जॉब। अगर आपने ये कोर्स रिसेंटली पास आउट किया है या आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 1 to 3 इयर्स, देन यू शुड चेक द एंटायर वीडियो। बिकॉज वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द अदर एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया दीस कंपनीज आर लुकिंग फॉर। उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. And time to time आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। And I've almost 8+ years of experience recruiting people for different skills like Power BI, business analytics, data analytics, or full stack developer role. So if you do not want to lose out any opportunity related to these domains, do subscribe this channel right away. Follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं। बट बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट वांटेड टू रिमाइंड यू अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज, जहाँ पे मैंने स्टार्ट करी है डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज, जहाँ पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली जॉब अपडेट रिलेटेड टू डेटा एनालिटिक्स, पावर बीआई डेवलपर, पाइथन, सीक्वल डेवलपर रोल के लिए। साथ में उन जॉब्स के लिंक भी मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करता हूँ, जहाँ पे आप उन जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक को अप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं। तो अगर आपने अभी तक फॉलो नहीं किया मेरा इंस्टाग्राम पेज, तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। नाउ लेट्स जंप टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन एंड सी व्हाट आर द जॉब्स अवेलेबल फॉर दिस वीक।
तो फ्रेंड्स आगे हमने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और जैसा कि मैंने वीडियो में आपको बताया था, आज हम रिव्यू करेंगे 5 जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पाइथन डेवलपर रोल। तो अगर आप एज अ फ्रेशर जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं या एज एन इंटर्नशिप प्लान कर रहे हैं किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को ज्वाइन करने का एज एन पाइथन डेवलपर या फिर एक्सपीरियंसड हैं इन दिस डोमेन, देन यू शुड चेक द फुल वीडियो स्किप मत कीजिएगा बिकॉज हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट द रोल एंड टेक्निकल स्किल्स एज वेल। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट वांटेड टू लेट यू नो अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च ग्रुप फॉर यू, जहाँ पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली जॉब अपडेट्स अलॉन्ग विद द एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स, एंड माय वेबसाइट callcentertalks.com, जहाँ पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली न्यूज एंड ब्लॉग्स अबाउट डेटा साइंस डोमेन। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज Arizon, hiring for Python developer, experience 0 to 2 years, location is in Noida, salary 4 to 6 lakhs per annum, and education bachelor's degree in computer science engineering और related field। तो अगर आपने अभी रिसेंटली कोई कोर्स पास आउट किया है इन पाइथन डेवलपर रोल या फिर एक्सपीरियंस है 1 or 2 years का, देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली अप्लाई फॉर द जॉब पोस्ट। बट बिफोर दैट लेट्स हैव द लुक अबाउट द रोल कॉलम which says develop and maintain software application using Python and related technologies, collaborate with designers, product managers, and other developers to translate requirements into functional and scalable software solutions, design and implement database schemas, queries, and APIs to support application functionality and data management, further conduct code reviews, provide feedback, and contribute to continuous improvement efforts. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this specific role. And if I talk about the technical skills, that says proficiency in Python and related frameworks such as Django, Flask, or Pyramid, experience with front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, a strong understanding of database management system, SQL, and ORM frameworks, familiarity with version control system, and agile development methodologies. So these are some technical skills. So here, experience does not mean that you should have the experience, but if you know how to work with front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, or even if you are good with Python only or some knowledge about the Flask or Pyramid, then you should apply for the job post. The link is available in the description box. Let's move to the second job, which is for the company name Bboom, hiring for Python developer role. Again, the location is in Noida, experience 2+ years, salary 7 to 11 lakhs per annum, that is estimated, and education bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or related field. Roles and responsibilities: write clean and scalable Python code, develop back-end components to improve responsiveness and overall performance, conduct testing and deployment of web applications and various services, implement security measures and data protection solutions, and successfully manage project these deadlines. So these are the roles and responsibilities for this job. And if I'll talk about the technical skills, you should have 3 years of experience as Python developer. Even if you have 2 years of experience, that will also work. Experience in at least one popular Python framework such as Flask, Django, and Pyramid. Must know web scraping and data analysis Python libraries like Beautiful Soup, Scrappy, Pandas, or NumPy. Experience with database systems such as SQL and MongoDB, and familiarity with version control system. And if you know RESTful APIs and their integrations, that would be an added advantage. And again, to apply for the job post, this link is available in the description box. Now let's move to the third job, which is for the company name ARCITECH. And if you are looking for any internship role, and if you are planning to move to Mumbai, or you are residing already in Mumbai, then you can apply for the job post. Salary 2 to 4 lakhs per annum, that is estimated. Experience again 0 to 2 years, and education for those students who are currently pursuing or recently graduated in computer science or related fields, and even if you have passed out any certification course from any online net tech platform, then also you can apply for the job post. About the role, contribute to the development of AI-driven applications, work collaboratively on API integration for innovative projects, align your work with architects' missions to transform industries through AI, part to full-time, a 6-month internship with the prospect of full-time employment based on your performance. So these are some roles and responsibilities, and what they have given is 6 months internship is already fixed, but if you work well, if you perform well, if you have good bonding with team members, and you are good in performance, then they can also extend your tenure further. Required skills: a solid foundation in Python programming, a keen interest in AI ML with a desire to explore API development. Students currently pursuing or recently graduated in computer science or related field. And if I'll talk about this internship overview, duration 6 months, cultivating in a performance review. Further future opportunities, outstanding interns may transition to full-time roles as we discussed earlier. And if you're okay with this internship role, then you can click on this link, which is available in the description box, to apply for this job post. The fourth company in the list is Arrow, hiring for Python automation specialist, experience 2 to 4 years, and location is in Bangalore, Pune, and Ahmedabad. And education: bachelor's, master's degree in computer science or related field, and salary 6 to 8 lakhs per annum, that is estimated. Now, if we'll talk about the roles and responsibilities, what you need to do is analyze the requirements, documents, and discuss queries with clients. Key objectives for this role include test scripts development, reviews, test execution, and bug reporting. Prepare automation design document based on document project requirements and team discussion. Test execution in all levels of testing, including functional testing, smoke testing, and integration. And to perform testing of key web, cloud, device, and mobile application projects. And incumbent will have to identify, prioritize, and execute tasks in testing lifecycle. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if I'll talk about the required skills, what you need to have: hands-on experience in developing test codes using Python and PyTest frameworks, hands-on experience in Selenium, proficient in test automation and scripting language in Python, experience working in unit testing tool like PyUnit, Junit, TestNG, and PyTest, and good to have experience with CI tools like Jenkins. So if you have experience of all these tools, then you can apply for the job post, and this link is available in the description box. Now let's move to the fifth job, which is for the company name Active, hiring for Python developer, experience 3 to 5 years. Location is in Bangalore, and education, they are asking bachelor's degree or master's degree in engineering discipline, further IT, EE, ECA, or CS, or robotics. And salary they are offering 8 lakhs per annum to 12 lakhs per annum. And if I talk about the roles and responsibilities, what you need to do is collaborate with Scrum teammates to select and implement product backlog items as quickly as possible while still achieving the quality metrics. Assist product owners in refining the product backlog items and provide Scrum team. Bring technological innovation into existing products or in form of new products that benefit the organization. Stay current with the latest technologies and trends in software development to ensure that our applications are cutting edge and meet the needs of stakeholders. And define software design and detailed design that meet the stakeholder and software requirements. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And the required skills: 3 to 5 years of experience in Python, working knowledge of Python libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and other libraries. Exposure to working in agile teams is a plus but not mandate, and exposure to automation domain is a plus. And if you're interested for this job post, you can find this link, which is available in the description box, and you can apply for the job post. So friends, these are 5 jobs for this week related to Python developer role. So if you are interested in these job posts, then definitely you can apply by clicking on the links available. Even if you are looking for any internship or with experience of 1 to 2 years, then also you can apply for the job post. And if you have any suggestions, any inputs related to my videos, you can post me through my mail ID, or you can also mention the comment box, and also share your feedback how you are liking the video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.